Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from PayPal to Revolut. So let's get started. So here we are in paypal.com and we are currently logged in into our account. And from here you want to go into your wallet section because we would need to link a card first. So click here on link a card, and from here you will need to link your Revolut card into your PayPal account right here, because this would be the only way on how we can withdraw money from PayPal to a Revolut directly without using any third-party platforms or apps. So you want to provide every detail right here and make sure that your billing address is the same as in your Revolut card, because as you can see right here on the note, as you can see, the billing address on the card must be the same as the address entered on PayPal, and then the card must also have some value. So for example, you would want to withdraw 100 from your PayPal account, so you would need at least $105 maybe, would be recommended. So there would be some fees on that, so you will not only be paying 100, but there would be additional fee for processing the payment or the withdrawal from PayPal to Revolut. So you must be ready for that, and then the card must be activated for online purchases. And after that, after you have linked this card right here into your PayPal account, then from here you can now be able to withdraw your funds from PayPal to Revolut, but it might take some time before it can reach your Revolut account, so you would need to be patient for that. But it depends on the country that you are in, so it would greatly depend on your region on how long it would take for the transfer. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.